Namo Buddhaya. Ever since we were children, as we grew up, we've been told, do this and you'll gain happiness. When we drive through the streets, we see billboards and signs. When we're on the internet, we see advertisements. And they say, eat at this restaurant. When you eat this, you'll be happy. Do this job, you'll be happy. But will that truly bring you happiness? You see, craving will draw us to various places. We'll draw our minds here and there, but we'll never be happy in this way. But the Buddha explains, to be happy is to have a tamed mind. Dunhigga salahuno, 𝑘𝐞𝐚𝐫𝐧 chittassa dhammato sadhu, chittan dantang sukhavahang. This mind is hard to tame. This mind goes here and there and everywhere. It's difficult to tame. But if you do tame your mind, that's when you'll truly be happy. Namo Buddhaya.